Hello and good morning. I am extremely excited to share a little bit about CloudFactory today. We have created the absolute easiest way to outsource routine and repetitive work. Now, some people call this business process work or back office work or data work, but really what it is this. This is the painful work that exists in almost every organization. But it's critical work. Every business has this work that needs to get done behind the scenes. So at CloudFactory, this is what we do. We do painful work for you guys, and it looks like this. We process millions of receipts, invoices, medical forms, business cards, you name it. Tons of scanned documents that we extract the data out of. We do things like processing images, and we extract data for things like intelligence companies, or we tag images to help make search work better for our clients, or we do things like mark up photos to actually train up machine learning models to make AI smarter. We go out and do human-powered screen scraping for lead generation, gathering business data for our clients. And we transcribe audio and video, and hundreds of other use cases. So again, there's tons of this routine, repetitive work that we get to do for our customers. Now, the work is painful, but equally painful are the options to get this done. Everyone has outsourcing nightmare stories that they can share for bad quality or tough communication or broken promises. So the question is, how is CloudFactory different? Now, what we do is we eliminate the pain. You can come online and you can actually spin up a new team in the cloud. You get your own dedicated team, and you actually subscribe monthly to a block of hours. So we call these work streams. And a work stream has your own team, it has a project lead, and it has the process and technology for you to begin streaming your routine, repetitive work to CloudFactory. Now, the secret sauce behind all of this comes down really to two things. Number one is bright people. Number two is brilliant technology. And on the people side, really fundamentally, our business is based on a thesis. We believe that talent is equally distributed throughout the world, but opportunities are not. And so we get the opportunity to change that. And we actually go and search the world for talent hotspots. We set up local operations in emerging countries where we have a methodical process to actually go through and take in-person interviews and go through assessments and actually hire the best people. And then we actually put them in a very unique workforce model. So everyone is put into teams of 5. They work distributed mostly throughout the week, but they come together face-to-face in these teams. It's for solidarity, it's for community, it's for knowledge exchange. And this professionally managed model, a highly curated model, is a key part for us to get great work done for our clients. And on the tech side, I'm a computer scientist. I'm a technical founder. I'm used to get to be a developer. They don't let me do that anymore. But we've got 50 other engineers in our company that are working on some of the most brilliant technology related to Work 2.0. Because in outsourcing, there's questions like, how do you know if people are actually working? Are they working efficiently? Are they working at all? Are they on Facebook? It's hard to know these things. Sometimes just throwing the work over the wall to an outsourcing company. Or the question is, what's the skill level or quality of the workers or the quality of the actual work getting done? There's a lot of questions, and so with CloudFactory, this is how it works. We have our clients actually stream via API 24/7, often repetitive tasks to us. We have a microtasking engine called the workstream flow. So you flow work to us. We've got workflows, we've got automated quality control, a lot of things to make things hyper efficient. So some work comes that way, and some of the work we actually do on our customers' platforms, or even on Google spreadsheets. The thing in common is all work at CloudFactory is done online, and all work flows through our own custom browser. So the Workstream browser actually is built on Google Chrome, but it's got some really cool technology built in. We call it Workstream Pulse. We manage the actual pulse of each work stream to know the productivity, the efficiency, to know the actual quality of work that's getting done for all of our customers. And we do that by actually taking in all of these different signals. So as our workers work, we look at keyboard activity, mouse activity, we look at browser events. We actually have the webcam on our workers, and we use emotion detection to look for boredom, confusion. We actually look at posture and the level of engagement. And I know it sounds a little bit weird, but all of this stays local. It's just processed locally. None of it comes up to us. But what it does is allows us to really understand how our workers are doing. And we get to manage them and retrain them and make sure that we are building and maintaining the best workforce in the world for our customers. So we have a bold vision. We believe that we can connect 1 million people to online work. And we want to raise them up as leaders to address poverty in their own community. And that's what drives us as a company. And it's what drives a lot of our customers as well. They get to do well by doing good. So the next time you take a photo of a receipt with Expensify, you sign up for Zenefits, the next time that you send a bill to Bill.com, or you use I bought a coupon, or you open up Microsoft Windows and the Windows Hello feature recognizes you and logs you in, well, we train that algorithm, and we run a lot of the back-end services and products behind the scenes so our customers can focus on innovation and growth. We've seen a lot of growth over the last few years, 100% year-over-year growth. We're going to hit our $5 million run rate milestone at the end of this year. We've got about 2,500 workers, completed over 800 million tasks. We actually started the company in Kathmandu. I lived there for a few years. We built up operations. We multiplied the model to Kenya. We opened up our office in Durham a couple years ago. It's our US headquarters. We've had our heads down. We've been working hard. We're here to stay in Durham. We haven't had the opportunity to meet a lot of people. This conference has been great. Thanks to CED. Please come by our booth because we'd like to meet you. We've got some cool demos of our latest technology, and we've got a special offer for anyone that might be interested in spinning up their first work stream. Thank you.